I started being German too, I think. Yeah.
Welcome to your PC.
Exam was a bit nice, I passed. And I passed with higher grade in comparison to last week. And the reason of that was like unrealistic plans, let's say, to really describe it. Like, okay, I will do first project, I will help my peers, I will understand this thing, I will do this thing, I will do extra exercises and all. But at the end of the day, I can't even do 20% of what I said. I said, okay, girl, let's do realistic goals. So just before scanning my code, okay, what am I gonna do for today? I promised myself I won't leave till I finish this exercise. Then I can go and sleep like a baby. Yeah, I started being German too, I think. Yeah. My goal for this week will be also to pass with the minimum. I don't care how much I get, as long as I pass. I hope that this time in Rush I won't face those problems of coming up with ideas, because doing project is not just about coding in C, it's about how you get along with your teammates. I hope I acquire new knowledge, that's it. Yeah, and I get better in tennis. That's all.